Welcome to the AssistKD Techniques in 2 challenge, where we ask a member of the AssistKD team to explain a business analysis tool or technique in 2 minutes or less. Julian, are you ready to take the challenge?
I'm ready for the challenge, Tom.
You have 2 minutes. What are conceptual data models?
Conceptual data modeling. Well, I often hear the excuse that people say, that's not my job. Somebody else in the organization does data models. That's usually somebody with a more technical background. I think people just hear the words data model and they don't understand the conceptual bit. So I'm actually going to begin with what a conceptual data model isn't for. It isn't about designing a database, a relational or any other kind of database. That is the job for another kind of data model, and probably the kind of data model that somebody more technical should be producing. But those kinds of data model can often be improved by the business understanding captured in a conceptual data model. Conceptual data model serves a different purpose, and one for which technical skills and knowledge aren't necessary or needed, but for which business knowledge and understanding, well, they're critical. A conceptual data model is about understanding and capturing the meaning, the purpose, and any business rules or constraints about data at a business level, regardless of technology. Meaning and purpose is about understanding what are the important, significant things about which the business needs to manage data, capture and process it. And then what detailed items or attributes are about those things, the significant things do they need to handle. We can also consider what business meaningful relationships exist between those things, both in the real world and therefore in our data models. Business rules and constraints can then capture understanding about what are valid values that we can store in each of those attributes, rules on how the different real world things can be related, and therefore how the data can be related. And that then determines data and information quality. And this can all be used to improve the technical handling of data later on.